watch daily videos and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya once again. How are you guys doing? Before this lecture, I just want you guys to go down and type in comments and let me know how are your preparations going on. Like, are you enjoying these videos? Do you have any suggestions, or you want us to do some more videos related to some other topics? So that also will soon start. Also, there is a course link given below. So if you go to that link, then you can get access to 10 mocks which are made by GRE toppers. So those are the full length mocks, and along with that there are going to be live webinars which happen every Friday. So you can sit at home and you can get access to these live webinars, and along with that there are a lot of recorded lectures for your all the quants topics, as well as sentence correction, sentence equivalence, text completion, reading comprehension, that you can access for your GRE preparation. So just check out the link that's given below, and there is a coupon code as well, so you can use that and avail some discount. Okay, now let's move ahead and understand what you're going to learn today. So today we are going to focus on again some new words. Okay, so the first word today is precipitate. Okay, now what do you mean by precipitate? Precipitate is to cause to happen suddenly or unexpectedly, like you didn't expect it happen suddenly without a thought. Okay, so precipitate. Synonyms of the word precipitate is expedite or instigate or induce. Okay, now expedite is something that happens like really quick, really fast. You did not think about it and it happened. So instigate, induce, or something that happens immediately, okay, or suddenly and unexpectedly. Now the antonyms of the word precipitate is foresighted, deliberate, and prolonged. Okay, now you have planned something for to happen, so you have a foresight to it. It is very deliberate. Now precipitation, as we say, it happens like suddenly and unexpectedly. Okay, and when I talk about foresightedness, so you're very deliberate, you have planned, so this particular event is going to happen in a particular time. Okay, so that is the antonym of the word. Moving ahead with the next word is assuage. Okay, assuage means to make something less severe. Like in the initial videos, if you have seen, we spoke about calming or placating or pacifying. So assuage is a synonym of the word placate, which means to calm somebody down, to make it less severe. Synonyms will be alleviate, okay, to lessen the pain, mollify, mitigate, or allay, ALLAY. Okay, to calm something down, to soothe something, to make it less severe is assuage. Okay, next is antonyms of the word, or the opposite of the word. Like you are calming somebody, so the opposite will be you are aggravating it or exacerbating it. That means making it worse. Okay, so the antonyms are exacerbate and aggravate. Okay, next word that we are going to learn today is audacious. Okay, being audacious means being very bold, or not being scared of something, being dauntless. Okay, so you are showing a willingness to take bold risks. So that is when you say that you are being audacious. So the synonyms of the word audacious is going to be intrepid, that is fearless, valiant, and unflinching. Okay, so somebody who has you say that he has an unflinching attitude. So if somebody has an unflinching attitude, he is very bold and he is very audacious. Okay, next is antonyms of the word, or the opposite word is meek, mousy, shy, and timid. That you don't have that much amount of courage, you don't want to do it, just leave it. So your attitude is very shy and timid, like you're not having that bravery to actually take up something or take up bold risks. So those are the antonyms of the word. Last word for this video is capricious. Okay, so now what do you mean by capricious? Capricious is likely to change frequently, suddenly, or unexpectedly. Okay, so it will change frequently, you would not come to know, or there is a sudden change in something. For example, if I have to tell you about the synonyms, so it's inconsistent, or it's fickle, or it's erratic, and impulsive. Okay, so impulsive, erratic, inconsistent, and fickle, these are some of the synonyms of the word capricious. Okay, so capricious, something which is changing, not stable, not uniform, inconsistent, and changing quickly or suddenly. Okay. Antonyms, or the opposite of the words capricious, is going to be immutable, unchanging, and stable. Okay, something which is stable and uniform, you can't hamper it. Okay, so that is going to be the meaning of the word, like the antonym of the word capricious. So in today's lecture, again, we have learned a lot of new words. Around 10 to 15 new vocabulary is added into your dictionary. Make it a point to you use it in a sentence and put it down, so that you are you keep it going. Okay, and any queries or doubts you have, you want us to do more videos, drop down in the comment below. Okay, this was all from my end. This is Aishwarya signing off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.